We want to see a generation with a passion to worship and a hunger to experience God.
I really like this because it's like an extension of our church.
Each time we meet, we aim to have a time of red-hot worship, inspirational teaching, and allowing God's Spirit to move.
Yeah, I just thought it was great that you could just go and have people that are willing to pay for it, and I thought the ministry was really good, and that's why I enjoyed it. I like Campus Awareness because there's biblical-based teaching.
Like-minded young people, radical worship, and relevant teaching for people my age.
It's great to be with God, to enjoy God there. Great to be with others, experience the God, and to have our lives changed.
This is not just a spiritual petrol station, but it's an ongoing work of Jesus in our lives. Everybody's welcome, so feel free to come and join us.